You may not like its smell, but eating and applying onion topically is super healthy. Onions contain dozens of medicinal chemical compounds that have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory actions in the body, and promote good heart and gut health. Apart from this, onions are said to be good for hair growth. Onion juice is one time-tested elixir that requires attention from people looking to grow thick and long hair. Growing hair is not easy. It needs a lot of nourishing from time to time, a healthy diet, and should be kept away from chemicals and colors. While it is tough to manage all this, you can bring onion juice to your hair's rescue. We tell you some amazing reasons that make onion juice the perfect go-to option for hair growth. Why onion juice is great for hair growth. Onion juice has sulphur that is said to prevent thinning and breakage of hair. Lesser hair thinning and breakage will ensure thick hair growth. Onion juice mildly nourishes hair follicles with the help of sulphur. Nourished hair follicles will allow regeneration of healthy hair. The presence of antioxidants in onion juice may help reversing premature graying of hair. A good massage with onion juice can help increase blood circulation, further helping in hair growth. Its antibacterial properties might help keep your scalp away from infections, further promoting healthy hair growth. How to make onion juice at home for hair growth. Take 1 to 2 onions and peel them. Cut them into pieces and blend them. Now filter the juice using a muslin cloth. This will ensure that no onion chunks are left. Give your scalp a good massage with onion juice in circular motions. Let it sit for an hour or so. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo, and ensure that you get rid of the pungent smell of onions. You could try this once a week to see effective results. Use onion juice to get long and lustrous hair like never before. Make sure you perform a patch test using onion juice, to avoid any allergic reaction on the skin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.